providing quality gown rentals for special occasions. In 2010, she proudly represented Miss Egypt as one of the candidates in the Queen of Cebu, now known as Queen Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge, Miss Jasmine Miles Luhu. A big round of applause, please.
Oh. Ay, Tara. Ano na ka mo? Focus tuning mo. Ito ba?